So I'm working on the driveway, and there's a lot of white spots. It looks ugly right now. Okay, so let me show you what to do here. Okay, I got these aquarium small size gravels. So what to do is apply it evenly. It kind of looks like the driveway gravels. So it looks like that, and now what you do is, okay, pour epoxy just top of it. So it looks like that, but what you do is you need to even it out flat as possible before it dries out, and it should dry out totally in less than about 2 hours. In hot weather, maybe in an hour. So it would be nice to do it when it's like over 70 degrees. Okay, it looks like it needs. That looks good. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. It looks like that. So, these, I did them about 30 minutes ago. Looks like that, and this was about 40 minutes ago. Looking better and better. Okay, and these about 40 minutes ago. So it looks like it's kind of like wet spot on the driveway for now, but it's gonna look better when it dries out. So after about 3 hours, as solid as it can be, and it looks pretty good. Okay, this is next day morning. It looks pretty good, solid as a rock. Yeah, you don't notice until you get really close. Just due to difference of color. Just looks like a wet spot. Okay, let me just show you what I used. I got these from Amazon. It's for $25, and these are 8 ounce each. So what you do is, you also gotta get, you don't have to get this, but this is very convenient. I got this in package, a dozen for $7, also from Amazon. And so what you do is you gotta mix exactly half and half. Epoxy resin, and I will post it on the description below. And yeah, this is the best way to fix your driveway.